Hey, it's Dawn here, and I have 2 glass candle holders, 2 sink strainers, and I have 2 portion cups. And together, I am going to do 2 sink strainer pour experiments over glass. So the portion cups are to hold the glass up off the table so that the paint can run freely off of them. Oh, cat hair, sorry. And I've got the 2 sink strainers so I can do one pour after the other. I'm not doing them in a dirty cup today. I'm going to pour each color individually. And I've got 2 color schemes here, as you can see. Yeah, I just want to get started here. So I just realized, though, that the way the camera is mounted, you can only see me pour the paint. You can't see what's going down the sides, and that wasn't thought out well. So I'm speeding this up, and I'll be back soon. Okay, the paint's pretty much run through that, and I'm going to tell you right now, the top looks pretty good and the sides did look good, but the longer the paint drips down, the worse it's looking. I don't know if I didn't mix it right, but there's quite a puddle down there, so I'm going to move this over so my new puddle has some room to spread. And yeah, I'm going to just start with this other pour and speed things up again so I can actually show you what these 2 look like. Back soon. Okay, that's pretty much all the paint I have for this pour. Now, what's on the tray looks great. Let's move this off. And what's on top of the vase looks great. Actually, this one looks better than the first one right now. But anyway, give me a moment and I will give you a clear shot of both of them. I'll be right back. Okay, so here they are. The first one in copper blue and unbleached titanium. It's dull, it's muddy, it's kind of grainy actually, and yeah, I'm not sure I even like that at all. Now the other one at the moment doesn't look too bad, but it's got a little bit of that grainy quality too, and I don't know if it's what I used to clean the glass before I poured or just how I mixed my paint. But I'll tell you something, the puddles on the tray look pretty good, better than the vases, which gives me an idea, especially with the black, red, and white one. So give me a sec to set up and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Be right back. I've got a tile here. Now I've taken what paint was left in the cups over here and kind of smeared it on top. And now I'm going to take a fat palette knife and I'm going to scoop the paint off the tray onto this tile. And that is just what I did. I took the fat palette knife and I scooped it in that puddle of paint, and then I just kind of laid it out over the tile over and over again until the tile was full. I didn't even tilt the tile. It looks great. But these candle holders, oh my, they are just grainy and dull and so not what I was expecting. I don't know if it's because of how I cleaned the glass or how I mixed the paint, but this was an experiment that went wrong, that is for sure. but I sure am glad that tile turned out well. Let's get a close-up. And here it is. I think it looks awesome. So at least something went well today. Thank you so much for watching today. Please hit subscribe so you don't miss my future videos. And if you're looking for me, well, check the channel art up top. There's a bunch of links up there, or you can just go to www.indigobohemianart.com. And before you go, would you mind clicking like? Because, you know, every time you click like, you save a baby unicorn. Yeah, that's fun. No, it encourages me, and it's nice to know that people are watching and liking what I do. So thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.